5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Going into halftime, looking good. I got all my deck boards on, feels good. Got the multi-layer thing going. I adapted to some of the things that aren't gonna work, what I was originally hoping to get done. Forearms are killing me, but in good form time-wise. Stair stringers, what hell sometimes. Like stairs are fun to build until you're cutting 12 fucking stringers, and then you're like, please, just let this be over.
We did catch up a little bit. It's feeling pretty good. We did get all of our main decking on. We didn't get to the top, but that's okay. Maybe the save time goal, I think we're gonna make our stairs a little smaller to save a little bit of time. Hopefully the judge is gonna think that the extra space on the deck is a good trade-off, like for a bit of a smaller stair. So the original trick was to go 2 down to get rid of sort of the stair railing, but from now on out, we just hope for the best and keep up the pace.
I see his deck boards down. I see that he hustled. It looked like he was way behind, and now it looks like it's anybody's game again, which is what I want to see.
Gord's a good builder, but we're gonna try to keep up the pace and keep up the pressure. We might've got him a little worried now that we're catching up pretty quick.
We're going to really start fucking dulling this bitch up, so let's get it.
We finally got to the second half of this game.